Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Google Authenticator app. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to this screen. Here, tap on the Get Started button and you will be prompted to sign into your account. You can see all of the available accounts by tapping on the arrow icon. Once you have selected the target account, tap on the Continue button and you will be signed into your account. Here, you can see that a code is being displayed on my screen. This is because I use this authenticator for my accounts. But when you sign into it the first time, this screen will be blank. Now, tap on the plus icon at bottom right corner of your screen and a couple of options will appear. If you select the QR code feature, your device camera will be launched. Now, you can just scan the QR code and enable this authenticator. But if you select the security key feature, you will be asked to enter the following information. Once you have done that, change the key type to your preference and that's it. So that's basically how you can use Google Authenticator app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.